Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today we are discussing the designs of bedroom wardrobe. In this video you can see what our design is with the latest design. So friends, if you like any designs or you have any questions regarding the wardrobe, then tell us in the comment box. I will try to answer all your questions. So when we are planning to make the wardrobe for a home, we have to keep some important points before making the wardrobe. The first thing that comes in our mind is the room space. How much space is available in your room? First of all, measure the space of your room and on which wall of the room you want to make a wardrobe. Then take the proper measurement of it. If there is a space more available in your room, there can you go with the bigger wardrobe. As you there you can see in this video, there are the beautiful bigger wardrobes. And if you have the less space in your room, then you can go with the smaller wardrobe. Like in this video, there are smaller and bigger wardrobes are available. So the first point is the space of your room, and second point is that how much you can spend for the wardrobe. So that how much does it cost to make a wardrobe. When it comes to the cost of making a wardrobe, for example, if you are making a 5 by 6 wardrobe, like the rates going currently is 1000 rupees to 1600 rupees per square feet. It depends on what material you are using. If you are using the medium quality material, then your estimate rate will be around 1200 rupees per square feet. So let's assume that if you are making a wardrobe of 6 by 5 feet, like equal to 30 square feet, and per square feet will be 1200 rupees, which will cost around 38 to 40,000 rupees. So for this you should know the market rates. For this you should first get the wardrobe quotation from any of your contractor. So before starting the wardrobe for your bedroom, you first ask the quotation and how much it will cost, what materials will be used. And my personal opinion is that you ask your 2 3 more contractors for a quotation so that you can get an idea how much it will cost to make your wardrobe. And my third point is which material you use for your wardrobe. Like wooden wardrobe is the most popular, as you can see in this video, and the wooden wardrobe which is inside the wood is popular nowadays with like MDF board. MDF wardrobe is most popular nowadays more than the plywood. MDF board is being used for more furniture because its strength is also good and it is also easy to maintain. It's low in maintenance and its shine. Its durability is also good. It can easily withstand the wear and tear of your furniture. So the strength of MDF board makes it less cracking or bending over times. So when you are planning to make your wardrobe for your bedrooms, you should remember these 3 4 important points. Like first one is the space, like how much space is available in your room. Third, Like second option is the budget, that how much can you spend. So as I told you the rate in this video. Another point is the material which is used for, and for finishing the wardrobe, laminate finishing is most popular nowadays. Like in this video you can see the laminate finish wardrobes. And even in this video I've shown you the sliding door wardrobes because nowadays it has become more popular. So friends, if you have any queries regarding to the rate or any regarding for wardrobe, you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. Or you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment box. So friends, please subscribe to my channel because here I bring lots of beautiful and interior design videos for my subscribers and viewers. So friends, if you like my video then please subscribe to